This video, we're going to talk about how these sentences here are ambiguous and how they could be misunderstood whenever possible. We want to remove ambiguity from our statements so that what we're trying to say is clearly understood by the people that we're trying to communicate it to. So, two stores with more than 1,000 pieces of merchandise will have grand openings at the mall this weekend. Is ambiguous because it's not clear whether we're talking about the two stores combined have 1,000 pieces of merchandise or whether each of the two stores has 1,000 pieces of merchandise or more, meaning that there would be more than 2,000 pieces of merchandise total. So the total amount of merchandise available is ambiguous there. There was a 15% decrease in donations to the homeless shelter between 1996 and 2000, a year in which $50,000 was collected. It's unclear here whether the $50,000 was collected in 1996 or 2000. Those are the only 2 years specified, so it has to be one of those 2 years, but we're not sure whether 50,000 is the thing from which there was a 15% decrease, or was the number after there was the 15% decrease. Our goal is to increase voter participation from 25% of the eligible voters, or 4,000, to 50,000. So it's unclear here whether they're saying that the 4,000 is the total number of eligible voters, in which case 25% of that would be 1,000 people that voted, or if they're saying that 4,000 people voted and are the 25% of eligible voters, in which case there's 16,000 eligible voters and 4,000 of them voted. In either case, their goal is to raise voter participation to 50%. But it's unclear what they mean by this 4,000. Is that the total number of eligible voters that did and didn't vote, or is it only the eligible voters who voted? All right, that's it for this video, and that's it for section 1E with critical thinking skills that we will use in some of our other topics here in this series to critically think about things and make sure that what we think we're reading is actually what it's saying, that there's no ambiguity, that things make sense, and that we come to conclusions considering all the facts, including things that may be hidden that we have to consider. All right.